Now, because of an email that I sent out earlier today, this may be the biggest, in case you missed it in history, or maybe you already know all the news here, because we're here to celebrate that Arkansas State University has received a $25 million challenge grant from the Windgate Foundation to fund the creation of a building that will be known as Windgate Hall of Art and Innovation. The Windgate Hall will also anchor the new Art and Innovation District on our campus, so thank you to the Windgate Foundation.
With the creation of the Art and Innovation District, anchored by Windgate Hall, the silos come down. Students have a clear opportunity to engage art processes and design thinking in partnerships not found in our region.
The College of Engineering and Computer Science is laser focused on providing high-impact experiences to its students. Identifying those experiences at the nexus of art, computer science, and engineering in partnership with the College of Liberal Arts and Communication is a giant step forward, not only for the university, but also for the state of Arkansas and the region.
The grant provides us $20 million towards construction of Windgate Hall and establishes another $5 million endowment for upkeep and maintenance of the building.
With the addition of the amphitheater and the arts district, opportunities are endless. Opportunities for students to pursue unique degrees and follow their passions. Opportunities for students to be set apart in their field.
We strive to become the heart of this city and our community in Northeast Arkansas, up and down the Delta, and this Art Innovation District will help make that happen.